This is the next slide part of the language. So 700 crore people basically, their each and every activities is going to connect to that 20 crore child basically, which is going to come. They have basically not came yet. Few data basically are getting processed in Reliance Group. They say that basically Sunil basically we only keeps the doctors data basically. So they say that basically we are totally clear basically. We don't want any other data. So they only takes care of those 10 lakh doctors basically whose energy basically they are taking. So they only give the security basically. Because they have to give the security basically. Otherwise they are this one lakh basically child basically doctor which is going to come na basically. In that basically they will create gets the problem basically. Because 1 crore from one human souls basically the Reliance Group basically might be earning more than 95 lakh crore basically. 95 lakh crore basically I am telling. So it's a huge income basically. So if they give the security to these 10 lakh people basically, it's not a big deal basically. So few people say that basically हमने तो government को दे दिया है. So government handles this. But anything basically happen to this 1 lakh child basically which is going to come, then government will be responsible. Government will say that वो तो हमारा थोड़ी काम है. Government is government here basically. Government literally will say that basically that is not our task basically. That is your private task basically. That we are not basically interfering in this. Because we are going to get something basically from 95 lakh crore. So they are going to tell like this. So few people say that basically हमने तो सरकार को दे दिया है. Political people is के अंडर. But you can't trust the political people also basically. You can trust basically. I am not telling them because the cities are running, the entire world is running without any problem basically. That means basically you can trust ना basically. So here one person होता है entire, and that also basically one of the person होता है political people are also human basically यार basically. They are also insan basically. They are not God basically. So they also can mistake basically. They can also basically can mistake basically. Do the mistake basically. Because they are also human basically. So that is also correct basically. They are also human basically. So here one person told that the people basically who are into this business basically, they are that also basically Reliance like group basically, they in next few days basically.